Yeah, the other lines.
Block.
Yeah. Yeah, leave it, people. And I gotta keep a little bit of pressure. Bringing this one here next to you. Shit, she pull line.
See the flower, boy?
Big bitch, too.
That's Suenos.
Watch the head shake.
I like catching birds, so these people get big fish.
I would laugh if that is a barracuda. I would laugh if it's a barracuda. I don't think so, though. I think it's a wahoo.
Big fish!
Yeah, grab the gaff, Mr. Big Fish. Don't mess around with that little barracuda up there. Huh? It's coming close, Kurt. You grab the gaff? The gaff is up front. Tell your Big bitch see the plug, man. Big bitch see the plug.
Big fucking see the plug. Hey, if you can't catch fish, you don't fucking see the plug.
I catch fish, biatch.
Hey, Prince, this how we do it, alright? Prince, this how we do it. We don't fucking sleep out. It's only been 2 hours, Prince. This how we do it. Hoorah!
That's right, Drew. For my freedom. Pimple, like you tired, man. What's going on?
Really fucking fishing. You motherfucker. Really this.
Hey, well, that barracuda was out far. The other one.
Motherfucker. Go ahead, don't let it. Oh, shit. This fish.
I think it's a wahoo, man.
We'll find out when it comes in the boat.
I think it's almost time to go in.
I think it's a fish called Miller. We told you, let's go.
Yeah. Good idea.
Woohoo! Alright, Bambo. Bring this fucking fish here now.
Stop messing around.
Stop messing around. You done been.
I see that head shake like that.
This one, you know.
See that head shake like that? I think that's I don't think that's tuna, you know.
Now, maybe it's not a dolphin?
No, I don't think it's a dolphin. It could possibly be.
Let's see if he's gonna run. If he runs, it's a dolphin. Not the fish, you know. If Phil will run.
We ain't got collar yet.
And we got collar for the neutral. We still got collar. He's down there. This has gotta be.
Let's see right now. Take your time with them, Pimple. Working, Pimple.
Put it neutral. Help him up.
It's close, it's close.
Go. What a big fucking.
You wahoo, boy, wahoo!
Wahoo!
Wahoo! It's a big wahoo.
I got a wahoo on board. I call you back. Wahoo on board. Hold on. Don't do that. Keep it neutral. More ground, people. Hold on.
Watch your line. Push it underneath.
Don't play that. Don't do that. Keep it in neutral.
Push it down, people. Keep tension on him. Push it in the water. Push it in the water. Put the water on the bread. Push it in the water.
Good. Right, people. Good. You walk around. Don't worry. Let him run. You motherfucker.
She's not in yet.
That's a big wahoo.
It's big. We're going in.
Fucking wahoo. No, we got 2 more.
Prince, this is how we do it.
We got more to catch.
Push it up. He coming in, Papa. He coming in. You're bringing him in.
That's a big boy. This is the biggest you ever pull in. You catching all these fish.
Push it underneath. Watch your anchor. Push it.
That's good.
Watch the engine.
Keep it down. Tilt up, tilt up, tilt up, tilt up. Tilt up. Okay, you good. Okay. Mother. Let him, don't, let him run. This one, he's dying. I never seen on this.
Kirk! Watch your side of the boat, alright? Kirk.
I get it.
Don't let that happen again. What? Fuck. Watch your engine, Pimple.
Alright, baby, you get it.
Let me.
He out there, he ready. He ready?